Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be trying out new makeup in a Get Ready With Me. It's sped up and stuff like that, but it's still Get Ready With Me. I did all of the makeup on camera and you'll get to see every step. This is such a beautiful hunter green and gold halo eye, and there's lots of new makeup in this video. I'm testing out things from Maybelline, Hard Candy, Milani, and LaColors. So first I'm taking the Milani Rose Oil and applying that to my face and just massaging that in, and surprisingly, like, it wasn't super oily or anything like that. Even though it is in the oil, it absorbed in the skin very nicely and I really enjoyed it. Now this Hard Candy primer, it's the 12-hour primer. I like the consistency of this. It's like a silicone kind of consistency and it fills in your pores, so I really like it. And we're using the Maybelline Master Prime eyeshadow primer, and I really like this primer too. It really gave a really good base for the eyeshadows to adhere to. The LaColors Conceal It in green. I'm not the biggest fan of the brush applicator thing there, but it does do a really good job at concealing redness. I really like it, other than what I'm currently using to conceal redness. And it's not too thin, it's not too thick, and it has a nice amount of coverage. So I definitely think it was worth the $2. I really am enjoying this product. Next up we have the LaColors Truly Matte Foundation. This foundation, oh my, I love it. It's matte and I'm gonna apply it with a wet beauty sponge, and let me tell you about the coverage. The coverage on this, can you see that? Is almost full coverage foundation. I believe I paid $6 for it at Family Dollar. It's awesome. It's amazing. I can't wait to use it. It's so nice on the skin. It's so buildable. It's blendable, and the coverage, I just can't believe the coverage on this. It's like a velvet, nice smoothness on your skin. It's so nice. Now I'm just using my Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous concealer to apply a little bit of that under the eyes to help conceal even more of the dark circle. But that foundation, you guys, it's so nice. Now from Maybelline, I'm using the Fit Me Loose powder in Fair, and I really like this powder as well. There's coverage there to add with the foundation. I'm setting everything with the wet sponge. It's a very fine milled powder and it has coverage to it too. It was only like $6. It's totally worth a try. Now we're going to buff that out, buff it into our skin and make it look flawless and airbrushed. Now I'm taking e.l.f. Loose Translucent Powder, and this powder also is very finely milled, and I'm just applying that under the eyes to catch fallout. And we're going to go on with LaColors Flashy Eyeshadow Palette, and we're going to be taking that brownish green shade, and I think it's perfect for a transition shade, so we're going to be using that in our crease. And I'm going to windshield wiper that in, and I'm going to add a few layers of that and just buff it in the crease very well, all the way up to into the eyebrow highlighting area. I want a nice transition, a nice fade, and a nice blend. The more colors you add that are similar and your transition, you're going to have a really nice fade, and it's going to help things blend and go along smoothly. Now next we're picking up this very beautiful matte dark hunter green kind of shade, and it's kind of on the teal side too, but it's dark though, so I would say kind of like a hunter green. Now I'm leaving the middle of the lid free, so I'm going to do the inner corner, outer corner, lid, middle, free, and then that's going in the crease as well. And we're going to build this up to avoid a ton of fallout. So I'm taking the sponge tip applicator with the same green on there and applying it to my lower lash line. just really packing that on down there. It's so beautiful. Now I'm taking the first shade I used from the palette and I'm buffing that against the edges. Not really picking up any additional color though, just that brush. And I'm going to build back up that green color and taking that brush. Now I'm just going to keep building up that crease. Now I'm taking a clean blending brush and we're going to blend all the edges down. It looks a little crazy right now, but we're going to fix all that. We're taking the Covergirl Ready Set Gorgeous Concealer and I'm carving out my spotlight, halo, highlighted, focused area. And I'm going to be taking the shimmery, metallic-y, yellow gold in the palette. This is chunky. It is so powdery. All the shades are a little bit powdery, so always tap your brush off. It's best to apply the yellowy metallic gold shade by pressing it on the lid and then kind of dragging the shade, so kind of sweeping it. We're also going to put that beautiful shimmery shade in the inner corner as well because the eye is too closed off for my liking. We're gonna pick up LaColors single eyeshadow, matte eyeshadow in French Vanilla, and we're using that as the highlight. So that's going to, as you can tell, act as like a magic eraser and help blend everything out. Wipe away your fallout. And believe me, there will be a little bit of fallout. We're gonna do our tight lining here. No additional eyeliner, just that. And we're gonna be using the Maybelline Curvitude Mascara. The wand is so different on this mascara, but I really liked how it separated, it lengthened, and it didn't do much for, like, say, volume, but the length and the separation I really loved. And I thought the wand was perfect for the lower lashes. I love how they look. And I love the mascara already, especially if you're looking for separation and length. It's a good mascara. So we're taking this Rimmel Trio and we're going to kind of bronze contour with that. I'm doing a light hand today and I'm just going in all my contour areas. But I'm going to buff out that. And then we're taking a fan brush and we're going to apply the blush in that trio. And this is a nice way to not overdo your blush and also make it look natural. It's so easy to achieve, it's so beautiful. We're also going to buff that out. Now next I'm taking the highlight shade in that trio and I'm going to apply that to all the highlighting areas, the nose, the cupid's bow, a little bit on the chin, the forehead, and of course our cheekbones. Such a beautiful highlight in my opinion. And of course we're going to buff that out as well. But with a light hand this time. We just don't want to take it away, buff it too much. We just want to blend it in. So for the lips, of course, I'm using a nude lip, and this is Maybelline's 920 Nude Lust. I know, right? Don't you guys say anything. This is my favorite lipstick, and I'll continue to use it. I just love it that much. So that's the finished look. Next, we're moving on to setting spray, and we're going to be using the Hard Candy Matte Setting Spray. This is the first time trying this out. I do feel that the matte setting spray in combination with the Truly Matte Foundation did a wonderful job at making the makeup last all day, stay matte, and I even wore it out in the rain. It was beautiful, it was gorgeous. Hope you guys enjoyed the get ready with me. Stay tuned for more videos like this. I have more makeup to test out, more videos to film, lots of more tutorials, lots of more fall related videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. Try the makeup look out for yourself. Go out and find this palette at Family Dollar too, because it's beautiful for $1. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, and like the video if you haven't already.